Hello, it's Hava. Today we're going to be making a crayon box. Here's the thing. So it says crayons right here, and then markers and pencils, and then it has a little slot. Hold on. So it can fit markers and pencils right there. And here are the supplies you need. You need a black marker, I used red, and scissors, tape, and one piece of paper. First, you're gonna put this down to there. And then we're gonna do that until we get to the bottom. And then we're gonna do this, then unfold, then do one a little farther away. So it'll be like that. And then, so see, that we're almost there, see? This one is like that. Hold on. This one like this, and this one's like this. See the similarity? So then we need our tape to tape these together. I'm weird. See? Then we're gonna get a black marker. Then if you want, you can draw some crayons. I drew some little crayons, and then white crayons. I just wrote Crayola because that's what crayons say, and markers. I spell things wrong because I'm little. And then write markers. Then the and sign. I do it like this, but there's another way to do it. And pencils. There. And there you have it, a brand new box. Well, crayon box. And now I call my fans crafties, so bye crafties.